If I had to start over after 50 with no fancy tech skills, no giant audience, and no desire to hustle 18 hours a day, these are the businesses I would seriously consider. And no, I'm not talking about opening a bakery with a $40,000 loan or becoming some overnight influencer dancing on TikTok in sequins at 2 a.m. I'm talking about realistic businesses, simple businesses, and businesses that actually fit this season of life. Because here's what I have learned. Women over 50 already have something younger people are still trying to build. We have life experiences, we have patience, we have communication skills, and we have problem solving skills. And honestly, a little more common sense. So let's talk about these 10 simple businesses women over 50 can start from home right now. Hey, if you haven't met me before, I'm the Digital Rebel Granny. I help people over 50 learn simple AI and online business skills without all of that overwhelm. And around here, we believe life after 50 is not the ending. It's the season where we can finally stop waiting for permission. So let's jump right in. Business idea number one, virtual assistant services. Okay, now before you panic and think, I don't know anything about tech, hear me out for just a second. Businesses right now are drowning in little tasks like emails and scheduling, social media captions, customer messages, and just frankly, basic organization. A lot of women over 50 are actually perfect for this because we already have spent years managing chaos. And now you can use AI tools to help write those emails, organize that content, and speed things up. What used to take days can now literally take minutes. And this business can literally start with a simple Gmail account, a free Canva account, a free ChatGPT account, and those basic communication skills that you're very good at. And no, you don't need to be some Silicon Valley genius. Business idea two, print on demand store. This one fits especially well if you're creative and funny, patriotic, faith-based, or have strong opinions. Print on demand means you create designs for things like mugs, shirts, tote bags, journals, candles. The amount of products that you can do are endless. And companies print and ship them for you, which is absolutely perfect because you don't have to have that garage full of inventory or mailing packages at midnight or standing at the post office arguing with that dang tape dispenser. And AI can now help generate slogan ideas, niche ideas, product descriptions, and content posts. So instead of staring at that blank screen, let AI help you generate. You come up with the ideas and it just helps you formulate them. And this is one of the easiest ways to start learning an online business right now. Business number three, content creation. Now, before you say, nobody wants to hear from me, let me stop you right there. You know what people are desperate for online right now? Real people. Not perfect influencers, not that filtered 22-year-old pretending that they have life figured out. People want wisdom, experience. They want stories, your stories, and they want your perspective. Think about what you look for when you're scrolling online. And you can create content around your life lessons. And no, you don't have to dance, thank God. One of my favorites, digital products. This sounds intimidating until you realize digital products are simply information people can download. You can do things like checklists, you can do planners, guides, templates, meal plans, journals, prompt packs, which I really love, and worksheets, things that you're really good or have already created. You already know things other people struggle with, and AI can now help organize your knowledge into products much, much faster. One of the biggest mindset shifts after 50 is realizing your experience actually has value. People pay for shortcuts, clarity, organization, and solutions. Think about what you look for, what you purchase. And business number 5, online coaching or maybe consulting. Now, I know some people hear the word coach and immediately roll their eyes back, but honestly, that's fair. The internet has made coaching look kind of ridiculous at times. But real coaching is simply helping someone get that result faster because you've already lived through it. Maybe you're great at organization, parenting, confidence, caregiving, health routines, and maybe just downsizing. Some people are really good at relationships, military transitioning, and just mindset. People will absolutely pay for guidance from someone relatable, especially someone who speaks like a real human. Number 6, affiliate marketing. So this is basically recommending products or tools you would generally use and earning a little commission on that. Now listen carefully. This only works long-term if people trust you. That's why women over 50 actually have an advantage here. People are tired of all of that fake hype. If you already share books and tools and kitchen gadgets and AI apps and maybe some beauty products or business tools, maybe even some of those great Amazon finds, you can turn that into content. Trust matters more than perfection now. Now, if you're still with me, put YouTube in the comments because that's the next one we're going to talk about. I know this one scares a lot of people. It scared me as well. But let me tell you something. YouTube is one of the few platforms where your content can continue working for years. It's what they call evergreen. And your audience does not need you to be perfect, my friends. They need you to provide clear guidance. They need to hear relatable stories. They need honesty, and they need a little personality. And honestly, most people over 50 have far more interesting stories than many of the influencers half their age. You can even create faceless videos. You can use voiceovers. You can use stock footage. You can use AI visuals and do screen recordings. Remember when I talked about Canva and ChatGPT? These platforms can absolutely help you with that. But I'm going to tell you, start messy because nobody starts polished ever. Number 8, simple AI services. This is going to become massive. In 2026, 2027, this is going to be one of those great niches to get into because small businesses right now are overwhelmed. And most of them do not want to learn AI. They just want help. That's where you come in. If you learn some simple AI skills, you can help businesses with writing posts or organizing their workflows, brainstorming ideas, creating those emails they don't want to send out, and simplifying content, and even replying back to customers. You do not need to become a programmer. You don't need to be techie. I am a perfect example of this. You just need to become someone who understands how to use these particular types of tools. And again, many of them are free. So right now, most people over 50 are underestimating how valuable that could become to them, but not you. Business idea number 9, Etsy or handmade products. All right, this works especially well if you already make things like candles, crocheting, wood signs, journals, seasonal decor, memory books, digital artwork. Any of these fit into your world? But here's the important part. The internet allows your hobby to reach more people. And AI can now help with, again, product descriptions, SEO, shop organization, marketing ideas. You no longer have to figure everything out alone. And the time to get your business up and running into market is days instead of weeks. All right, our final idea, number 10, is community building. Now, hang with me because this one might seem a little odd, but it is perfect for our generation. And this one is overlooked a lot. People are lonely, my friends. They're feeling disconnected. They're searching for purpose. If you can bring people together around faith, confidence, AI learning, caregiving, veteran groups, health groups, business, and mindset, that community itself becomes valuable. That's honestly part of why I created the Rebel Den. People over 50 deserve spaces where we can learn without feeling talked down to. Listen, you do not need to become a millionaire overnight. You do not need to know everything, and you absolutely do not need permission to start. Most people over 50 already have enough experience to build something very meaningful. The real problem? Well, nobody has ever showed them how to translate those skills into today's digital world. This is why I'm here. So if you want help figuring out what kind of business might actually fit you, comment ideas below. And if you want to learn simple AI and online business skills without all of that confusing tech talk, come join me in the Rebel Den. We'd love to have you. I'll see you in the next video, my friends. Digital Rebel Granny out.